The DVC kiosk at Disney Springs now has a Riviera model. Cute. Cute. There she is. Riviera Resort. It's so cool. They've gotten all the details. Riviera Resort. Oh, Head of Mickey, cute. That guy. The people in here remind me of Harry Potter. I don't know why. Oh, there's that woman. These are great. Photo pass. You can't see it, but there are people eating in the restaurant. They chose literally the best Lego figures to put in this. What is...
Did you see the one with the hot dog on it?
Yeah, the hot dog. I just saw that one.
And even in the...
Is this Balloon Man?
Balloon Man, yeah.
Oh, and that's like Gelato Chef. And is that a painter?
Yes. Yeah.
These are great.
They did a good job, and I love the news team.
The news team is great.
One of them has an
They're so cool.
Beer mug, the one over here.
I love the people in the restaurant too.
Yeah, well, look at the tram too.
Oh, is that the like maitre d' with his little white thing on? Oh, cool. Tourists in the tram. This is so cool.
Lego Masters from Enfield, Connecticut. Jim said it took almost 300 to 500 man-hours.
Wow.
And I can't think. It seems like it would be more Lego.
So cool.
It said 4,500, but I think it's 45,000.
Yeah, 4,500 is not right. It's probably 45,000 Legos.
Yeah.
500 man-hours. Could you imagine?
That's all you do all day. Just play with Legos? Yeah, I could imagine.
That's true. All the Lego statues. That's gorgeous. My quest for the Orange Bird was unsuccessful, so we're gonna try somewhere else. Found it. I got him. It took us going to Polynesian to get it. There he is. Got it. Here he is. Now time to embarrass Lexi. Walking around with my orange bird.
But like you're 30.
Walking around with my orange bird.
32.
Walking around with my orange bird.
It's not necessary.
I sense jealousy. If there was a shoulder Gus, you'd walk around with it.
Well, yeah, obviously. I'm not a
Yeah,
monster.
obviously. Monster. I hear the Electrical Water Pageant. To the water pageant. If we can find our way. We're in Tokelau. I had to bring him to the Polynesian bungalow to see his brother on this piece of artwork. Cute. Look at him. Orange Bird love. because in the room, in the bungalow at the Polynesian, there's an orange bird. So gotta show the love. Whoa, what do you think of that, Parker? What's in there? Where'd you go? Whoa, there you are. There you are. Whoa. Is it moving?
Be careful.
Oh yeah, look at the parade. Do you see the parade? Do you see the parade? Parker, come look at this. It's the Electrical Water Pageant with no music. Look, what do you see? Electrical Water Pageant. Whoa. Whoa. Parker, say cool.
Cool.
Goal. That's cool, isn't it? That's cool. You see the boat? Whoa, that's so cool. Cool. There it is in bed form.
Want more family?